Hey everybody, it's Lashless Lane and welcome to the vlog. Today we are at Ominous Descent for their Christmas haunt. I'm so excited. This is, in my opinion, the scariest haunt in Florida, and I'm very excited for the holiday fear that they are about to bestow upon me. And I have a special guest, my sister. Paige Lavoie is here at Ominous Descent for the very first time. How do you feel, Paige?
I'm nervous.
I'm honestly so nervous too. When I was here before, Sid basically had to pull me through this one. Here's some clips. So yeah, how do you feel after seeing those?
You told me we were going to a Christmas walkthrough.
And that is what we are doing today. You ready to go?
I love monsters.
All right, let's go. We have our giant skeleton. Look at him. Look at him in all his glory. All right, we are going to get in line. Let's do it. Look at all the beautiful Christmas lights, everybody. It looks so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Just a happy little Christmas trail. Just a happy little Christmas walk. Just a happy little walk through the lights, you know what I mean? Are you so ready?
It said don't go in if you have ailments.
You have no ailments.
I have no ailments?
No. No. I think we're gonna pee our pants. We peed before this and we have earplugs. So now you guys know that. All right, see you guys in a few. Paige is watching the trailer right now that they're playing and she's horrified. She's literally horrified. So one thing I love about Ominous Descent is how gross they get with the details. Like, it's so gross. And then I think that this is so funny. I almost said cute. It's certainly not cute. But I oh my. Oh my. Well, that was surprising. That was surprising. But yeah, I love the big bow and all the lights from the body. It's nice. Yeah, nice. Cute. There we go. Cool, thank you. And our friend here. Hi, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. So pretty. Scary and bright, baby. Scary and bright. All right, it's almost our turn. Oh, it's so cute. It's gonna get a lot less cute. It's gonna get a lot less cute. Ah, yes, we're ready. Okay, thank you so much. I'll try. Okay, thank you. Let's fucking do it. Okay, we're in, baby. We're in. I just touched the microphone. Sorry if that was loud. It looks actually so cute with the Christmas trees. I love it. Paige is scared already. I know. It's hard with the light, right? Okay. Oh God, oh God, it begins. Okay. I've never been the navigator. Now I'm like, I gotta navigate us through here. Hi!
See Mrs. Claus.
We have not seen Mrs. Claus.
Come quick.
Okay. Wait, is this the right way? Is this the right way? Okay. Wow, so kind. Oh God. Okay. Oh God, that smells. The body. Oh my God, don't breathe out. Shit. Oh,
I can't see.
Oh my God, no. It smells so bad.
It's really difficult.
Shit.
You know what?
Wake up. Wake up.
What?
It's a nightmare.
Oh my.
Nightmare.
No. Oh my God, I can't see anything.
The light is bad.
Wait.
Correct?
Yeah. This way. Okay. Oh God.
Can't be here.
No.
Literally can't be here.
Oh God, this way. This way. We gotta reach. It's so bright, dude.
No.
Oh! Oh, hi. This way, this way. We're like, can't see, can't see. Oh God. Hi. You're so scary. You're so scary. So scary. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, okay. Okay. Whoa, it's snowing! It's snowing! Oh, oh, oh! Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh God! You're correct. It's snowing. This is very scary.
Gee willikers, okay.
Gee willikers, she said. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, that was scary. Legs
All
are
the
shaking.
strobe lights are difficult to
Okay, hold on. Oh God, there's bodies. I can't see either. Oh, we ran into a dead end. Okay. Okay. It's very dark. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, 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 oh God. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, God. God, God, oh God. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, she said thank you. She said thank you.
Well, we were going the wrong way.
Were we?
I think so.
Okay, hold on. Okay, okay. How do we get through? Maybe? Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Oh, 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 oh. Hi. Oh God. Oh God. Okay, okay. Smells bad, yeah. Okay, okay. Oh, oh, oh. No, way do we go? No. Oh! Oh shoot, we're in the swamp. Ah! Oh no! We have to wade through the swamp, dude. Look, there's a boat.
Oh yeah,
This is
wait.
insane.
This is cool as fuck. Okay, but
Oh. Ah! Oh my God, sorry. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, sorry. Ah. Ah. Oh God. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, okay.
any gators?
Okay.
We're looking for.
Whoa, whoa.
way. Thank
Whoa,
you.
thank you. Ah!
We were so the wrong way.
Yeah, dude. Well, try walking through a haunt with a camera in your face. Oh God. Yeah.
I'm looking for a 7 foot or 6 foot.
No. She's looking for a swamp monster.
Okay, wait. We don't want to actually bump into you.
Oh, oh, wait. We go this way. This way.
Okay.
This way. Okay, okay.
Oh, the lighting is so wild.
I know. This is insane. Oh,
Oh, this way probably.
this way?
Right?
This way? Yes. I've never been
We
the
need
leader,
to
and I
turn
am
your
a
light
crap
around so
leader.
you can see better.
No. Ah!
Oh, I think this way.
Okay. Oh.
Sorry, we don't want to bump you.
Paige is so polite through the haunt. She's so polite. Ah. Okay, okay, okay. This is crazy. Sorry, we're looking for a swamp monster. Swamp monster. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah. Okay, okay. Oh, 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 oh. Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God!
I hope that picked up on the camera.
Oh my God! Okay, is this the right way?
I think so.
Okay. Oh yeah, we haven't been in here.
Too much
Oh.
yellow snow.
Ew! It smells like a body.
Right, it's not
No!
for
Ah! No!
More cups.
No! No! Not the yellow snow.
Not the yellow snow.
Oh, hi, pretty. She's so pretty. You actually look so beautiful, though. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh God. No, we can't. There's somebody in the bathroom. We're in a potty. We're in a bathroom. We're out of the potty. Whoa. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Oh!
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
You're on the naughty list.
Yeah. That checks. Sorry.
Listen to a sleep token.
Okay. 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 This sound does not sound good. No. Oh, it's. Oh, oh. Ooh, good job. Okay. Okay. Ah. Santa's coming. Oh God. Okay, okay. We have an open stretch of land, which can only be bad, and probably means chainsaws. Ah! Oh, Santa. That's not Santa. That's not Santa. Oh no! It's like a red.
Oh, this is, someone's gonna pop out.
Something's gonna be here.
We don't want to bump into you.
Oh God. Oh, it's red, like a bloody swamp, like the bloody seas. This is insane. Ah! Okay, okay, okay.
Ah! I did not want to get wet.
Not the water, not the splash zone.
Please wake up.
Oh God.
Stop.
Oh no, no,
We can't escape unless you're awake. Please.
Sorry.
Please help me.
No one.
Ah!
Have you had a shot today?
No.
No.
Oh my God, not the water. Not the water. Ah! Right in the face.
That's it?
Yeah, we did it.
Oh.
We did it, girl.
Oh, great.
We did it.
Oh, wow.
We did it.
I did not poop my
Yay.
pants.
She didn't shit herself. Hold on. Okay. We just got out of the trail. Paige, it's your first experience, so you go first.
I thought it was incredible. It was so immersive. I did hide behind you a lot, but honestly, I think there was something about going through with the blinding light of the camera that felt even more disorienting. Like, we had no idea what was up, what was down. The swamp was the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, it was really good. I didn't think we'd get wet.
Yeah, I'm glad that I waterproofed my eyelash extensions because I didn't expect to get sprayed in the face. But I loved it. I was wondering if it would be as scary because it's a Christmas overlay. And you know, you've got the Christmas lights and like Christmas costumes can sometimes not seem scary, you know? Like I don't think Santa suit and think scary. This was definitely scary. I highly recommend coming out. I'll have all the information in the description.
Yes.
You are cheesing it up. You love that swamp,
I
right?
loved the whole thing. The swamp was my favorite thing. It really, we walked in and I went, what?
And that wraps up our time here at Ominous Descent for their Christmas haunt. I absolutely loved it. I know Paige loved it too, as you just heard. If you like videos like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more fun adventures. See you guys soon. Bye.